What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Soul's Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Love You Like I Do by G-Eazy. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double uppercut your jawbone off. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's using two different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord you need is going to be a D minor. You're going to bar the 5th fret starting on the A string with your index finger, ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, pinky finger on the 7th fret of the G string, middle finger on the 8th fret or the 6th fret of the B string. Then your final chord is A minor. Bar the entire 5th fret with your index finger, ring finger 7th fret A string, pinky finger 7th fret D string. Once you get your chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. Now the basic strumming pattern for the song is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, where that second up is muted. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Now that's the basic strumming pattern. If you want to add a little flair to it, a little bit of rhythm, in between those you can add some muted strums. It'll look like down, down, up, down, muted, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's for both of them. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So you're just adding a down, up, and down, up, to the strumming pattern that you already had. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.